Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and clicking on it. Following that, if you never used Recorder before, select Allow in the pop-ups. Then, before starting recording, tap on this gear at the bottom left corner and manage all of those options however you want to, like format. When you're done, go back and tap on this red button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, unpause your recording and tap on this left button. To end it and save it though, select square on the right. Now to access list of your recordings, click on this left button, this time with 3 lines. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. In order to rename it, hold it and click on those 3 dots at the top right corner to access a rename option. Then type in wherever you want to and save your new name by hitting OK. If you wish to delete your recording instead, you need to hold it again. But this time just tap on this bean at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!